Okay, we're in the chicken run. It is not finished. We have kind of sort of a roof. Those tops need to be caged in. We have all kinds of scrap wood and stuff to keep them from going under the chicken coop, because as it gets chillier, we need to take them in, and we don't want to be climbing under the chicken coop to get them. They're having a blast digging for bugs or whatever they find, and as you can see, they've really grown. But they will have to go back inside tonight because it's too dang cold. I went and got these straw bales yesterday to give them a little enclosure windbreak. If they're too chilly, they will huddle up together, and that's my cue that they need to go back inside. But yeah, they seem fine. They seem to be doing great. Yeah, pose for me. Pose for me. That's pretty. Look at them go. Look at them go. Happy chickens. Look how happy they are. Look how happy they are. Yep. It's been a lot of work trying to get it covered. Had to put some new wire up over there, some smaller wire. It's got a closer mesh, because raccoons and such animals will reach through the bigger wire like that and try to pull them through. We have the smaller wire along the bottom here to try to keep them safer. What do you think? Do you like it? Uh-oh. I got one that went behind. Come here. Can't find your way out. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Come on out. There you go. Oh, it's my stepping stool. Outside the run there. It's where I was doing, with Adam's help of course, tarping the top. This beam here, I'll be hanging the feeder and the water from. On this side, we'll have a couple of swings. A nice roost form here. There'll be another one down below that sticks out further, because with only one they fight over it, don't you? They fight over everything. They just fight over everything, don't you? Yes. Hello, Mabel. Sophia and Alice are still looking very, very different. Still thinking one of them is a rooster. The feathers are coming in different. They're the same age, the same kind of chicken. But here, sweetie, let's move you so we can talk about them. Yep, they're the same age, the same kind of chicken. But their feathers are coming in at a totally different rate, and they look different as they're coming in. So I'm guessing one of them is a rooster. Adam and I are off to the stores, so see you in a bit. Say goodbye. They say goodbye.